Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was another, like, footstep.
Yeah.
I thought that was you again.
No, it was not me.
That was you. Can you look at my torch, please? I'd make it go brighter or dimmer.
It's really evidence of light footsteps. We'll try and make them as light as possible.
What was that?
I was somewhere.
Yeah.
That was in there, right? Do you think anybody made that noise?